Take your kick drum from this to this. All you need is a reinforcement ring and a sharp blade. The reinforcement ring is going to be our hole cutting template, so I start by positioning where I want the hole to be. Be careful not to place it too close to the edge. Leave a little bit of space between the hole and the edge of the drum. Once you're happy with the placement, use a piece of tape to mark the center and the edge of our template. Our next step is going to be to take the head off. I'm going to be applying my reinforcement ring to the back side of the drum head. If you prefer to have it on the front, you don't need to take the head off. With our cutting tools nearby, the next step is going to be to adhere the reinforcement ring to the back side of the drum head. These two pieces of tape we attached earlier will be visible through the drum head. This is going to help us place the ring. If you want to make any final adjustments, now is the time. We peel off the backing and attach the ring. Make sure your work surface is stable before you start cutting. Go as slow as you can. This is definitely not a race, and your patience is going to be rewarded in the end with a nice, clean, smooth hole that's going to look something like that. If you have any questions that weren't answered in the video, send me a message. I'm happy to help out. Thanks for watching.